Dave Ramsey, a well-known financial educator, has sold over 22 million copies of his book, Financial Peace, in just 13 years. His philosophy is simple yet powerful. In this video, we will be going through 7 game-changing tips from Dave Ramsey that will transform your finances. Stay tuned until the end. Welcome to our channel where we discuss everything money. Make sure to like this video so you never miss out on any new updates. Tip No. 1. Don't copy others. Instead, adapt Ramsey's steps to fit your own situation. Ramsey's advice is often generalized and not tailored to your specific situation. For example, he recommends paying off your mortgage as soon as possible. However, if you have other high-interest debts, it may be more beneficial to focus on paying those off first. Similarly, if you're young and have a low credit score, it may be better to concentrate on building up your credit before investing. Ultimately, the goal is to build wealth and give back, so it's important to find what works best for you. If you want to succeed financially, you need to take responsibility for your actions and make sacrifices today for a better tomorrow. Simply put, if you want something you've never had before, you have to do something you've never done before. Don't compare yourself to others because everyone's journey is different. Tip number 2. Pay off your home early to save on interest. One of the most significant financial burdens for many people is their mortgage. By paying off your home early, you can save thousands of dollars in interest payments over the life of the loan. Ramsey recommends using the 15-year rule or the 20-year rule when paying off a mortgage. The 15-year rule involves making payments on a 15-year fixed-rate mortgage, even if you could afford a longer term. This approach allows you to save on interest and pay off your mortgage faster. On the other hand, the 20-year rule suggests paying an extra $100 per month towards your mortgage principal to pay it off 2 years ahead of schedule. While these rules are helpful, it's essential to consider your individual circumstances. Paying off your mortgage early may not be feasible for everyone, especially if you have other high-interest debts or financial obligations. However, if you can afford to make additional payments, it can significantly reduce the amount of interest you pay over time. As a general rule, it's wise to avoid adjustable-rate mortgages, as they can increase your monthly payments and lead to negative equity in your home. Therefore, opting for a fixed-rate mortgage and making extra payments towards principal can help you achieve financial freedom and avoid the pitfalls of an adjustable-rate mortgage. Tip number 3. Invest 15% of your income. Investing is essential for building wealth and achieving financial independence. According to Ramsey, investing 15% of your income is crucial for growing your money and securing your future. He recommends starting with retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs, which offer tax advantages and employer matching contributions. By investing early and consistently, you can take advantage of compound interest and potentially double your money every 7 to 10 years. When investing, it's essential to have a long-term perspective and avoid making emotional decisions based on market fluctuations. Additionally, diversifying your investments across different asset classes can help mitigate risks and enhance your returns. Consider investing in index funds or ETFs that track the overall market for a more balanced approach. It's also crucial to regularly review and adjust your investment strategy as your financial situation and goals evolve. By following these guidelines and staying disciplined, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success and enjoy a comfortable retirement. Tip number 4. Save $1,000 before investing. Having an emergency fund is crucial for financial stability, and Ramsey recommends saving $1,000 before investing. This amount can help cover unexpected expenses and prevent you from dipping into your investments during tough times. An emergency fund provides peace of mind and allows you to handle financial emergencies without stress or debt. To build an emergency fund, start by setting aside a specific amount each month and choose a savings account with a high interest rate. This will help your money grow while also being easily accessible. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to create a comprehensive emergency fund that can sustain you through various financial challenges. Having this safety net can be a game changer, providing the financial security needed to make smart decisions and navigate unexpected situations with ease. Before investing in retirement accounts, such as 401ks and IRAs, ensure that you have an emergency fund in place. These accounts offer tax advantages and potential employer matching contributions, but they also have some drawbacks. Retirement accounts can be difficult to access without penalties before the age of 59 and a half. Additionally, if you lose your job, you may need to withdraw from your retirement accounts, depleting your savings. Therefore, having an emergency fund can provide a much-needed safety net. In case of job loss or unexpected expenses, having an emergency fund can help you maintain your financial stability and avoid making hasty decisions regarding your retirement accounts. By prioritizing your emergency fund before investing in retirement accounts, you can ensure that you're prepared for unexpected events and can continue investing for your long-term financial goals. Tip number 5. Get rid of unneeded items and earn extra money. Reducing unnecessary expenses is an essential aspect of achieving financial freedom. Dave Ramsey encourages individuals to get rid of items they do not need and earn extra money through various means. This can include selling unwanted items online, renting out a spare room or packing space, or taking on a side hustle to generate additional income. By reducing expenses and increasing income, you can free up more money to invest in your financial future. Consider downsizing, negotiating bills, and seeking out free or low-cost entertainment options. You can also explore alternative transportation methods, such as biking or carpooling, to reduce spending on fuel and maintenance. Moreover, adopting a frugal mindset can lead to significant savings over time. By embracing a minimalist lifestyle and focusing on experiences rather than material possessions, you can reduce the need for excessive spending. Remember, financial freedom is not about deprivation, but rather about making conscious choices to allocate your money towards your financial goals and priorities. By implementing these strategies, you can take control of your finances and pave the way for a more prosperous future. Tip number 6. Pay off all your debts except the house. Managing debt effectively is crucial for achieving financial health. Dave Ramsey recommends paying off all your debts except for the house as part of his debt snowball method. By focusing on paying off high-interest debts first, you can avoid getting trapped in a cycle of debt and improve your credit score. To implement this strategy, list all your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Then make minimum payments on all debts except the smallest one. Throw all your extra money at the smallest debt until it's paid off. Once the smallest debt is paid off, take the money you were using for that payment and apply it to the next smallest debt. Repeat this process until all debts are paid off except for the mortgage. By following this approach, you can gain momentum, motivation, and financial flexibility as you progress. Remember that paying off debts is a significant step towards building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Tip number 7. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation occurs when your spending increases as your income rises, which can hinder your financial progress. Dave Ramsey advises against lifestyle inflation and encourages individuals to live below their means and resist the urge to keep up with societal pressures. To avoid lifestyle inflation, create a budget and track your expenses. Set financial goals and stick to them. Resist the urge to make impulse purchases and focus on experiences rather than material possessions. By practicing delayed gratification and making smart financial decisions, you can prevent lifestyle inflation from derailing your financial progress and work towards achieving your long-term financial goals. In conclusion, by implementing these 7 game-changing tips from Dave Ramsey, you can transform your finances and achieve greater financial success. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, invest in your future, or build wealth, these tips provide a roadmap to financial freedom. Remember to prioritize your financial goals, make sacrifices today for a better tomorrow, and seek professional guidance when needed. By following these steps, you can take control of your financial destiny and secure a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative content.